I don't follow rules and they don't like that. I was skipping school to get my sack right.
Bro, if I get rained on, I'm gonna be pissed. Pissed. That's a Skyline. That's just nice. Tried to pop a wheelie and my bike just like the rear tire just like slipped. I saw my traction control kicking in. Oh shit! He just went through the water. Ah!
So I'm like, okay, so I was running late, right? So I'm like, let me cut this guy off because I live, you know, right by 287. So I'm like, I don't want to go over there. But all the time that I waited, I could have gone 2 times. You want to bad enough? Oh,
Hey, dude, those things are slow.
you're slow, man.
Those things are slow. They really are. God, if I fucking get rained on. Oh my. Oh, the cops are here too? Great. What is this? Oh my God. A flood warning. And I'm out here on my motorcycle. Bro, look at this. We're about to flood. Damn, a whole lot of fucking burnouts are still going on.